In this video, I'll show you how to use Leonardo AI in 2026, step by step. First, open Leonardo AI and sign into your account. Once you reach the main dashboard, take a moment to look around the interface. Leonardo AI provides several tools for creating and working with AI-generated images and other creative content. To create an image, start by opening the image generation area. Here, you'll find a prompt box where you can describe exactly what you want Leonardo AI to create. For example, you could enter a prompt describing a cinematic city at night, a realistic portrait, a fantasy character, or a product photograph. The more clearly you describe your idea, the easier it is to guide the AI toward the results you want. After entering your prompt, review the available generation settings. Depending on your account and the current Leonardo AI interface, you may be able to choose different models, image dimensions, styles, or other generation options. Once everything is ready, start generating your image. When Leonardo AI finishes, review the results and choose the image you like best. You can then use the available tools to edit, enhance, upscale, or download your creation. If the result is exactly what you wanted, don't worry. Simply improve your prompt, change the settings, and generate another version. With practice, you can use Leonardo AI to create artwork, characters, thumbnails, product visuals, game assets, and many other types of images. And that's how you can get started with Leonardo AI in 2026. In this video, I'll show you how to access Leonardo